What is up, guys? Correlating here with my second installment of my Batch Just Cuz series. And before we begin episode 2, I would just like to tell you guys that all comments for my Batch Just Cuz series will have to be approved by me, just so that no bad, dangerous code can get into my comments section. But all positive, negative, good code comments, those will all be let through. I'm not trying to hide anything. I just don't want to see people's hard drives getting deleted or the task managers turning off or anything stupid like that. So, let's begin with episode 2. So last time we left off, our batch file read hello world, hello world, and then press any key to continue, user presses a key, and the batch file closes. So let's take a look at this, and here's a familiar code. And so what we're going to be working with today is the Goto command. And the Goto command is basically made up of two parts. It's made up of a label, which is this, the colon, and then a 1. And that is basically like the point where you want the Goto to go. And then our Goto command itself, and we're going to say Goto 1. So right now, if we were to run this batch file, it would read echo off. Okay, you don't want me to, read the commands. You don't want me to do any of that. Echo, and then it's going to say hello world, and it would print that on the screen. Pause, stop the batch file, and wait for the user to hit a button. And then it's going to say Goto 1. It's going to say, okay, I'm going to go find the label marked colon 1. It finds it, and then it runs from there. So what I'm going to do is, in between the Goto 1 and its label, I'm going to do echo did not work. Oh no. And I'm going to hit exit. And below the label 1, I'm going to put, let's think, echo, it worked, why not? And after that, we can put let's do a ping command. I'll go more into depth with this once the episode, it might be next episode actually comes out, but that is right there, the ping command, and that will pause the batch file for 3 seconds. And so yeah, let's see how well this works. Hello world, press any key to continue, and it reads it worked. It did not say it did not work. So that means that our Goto command is working right now perfectly. So what you can do with this, for maybe a bit more of a complex thing that you might want to do, is in here you could put a second label, let's say 2, and under 2 say echo ending batch, and then below that a exit, and under 1 you could have that bit of code, echo it worked, and the ping command, and then say go to 2. And under 2, right before it exits, we'll just throw in another ping command. Why not? N1W 3000 null. Okay. So what this is going to do, gonna go start from the beginning, echo off. You don't want me to show any of the commands. Echo hello world, it's gonna print hello world onto the screen. It's gonna pause. We're gonna stop everything the batch is doing and wait for the user to tell us to go on. And it's gonna go to 1, gonna find the label 1, there it is. Gonna say it worked. Pause for 3 seconds, go to 2, ending batch, pause for another 3 seconds, and then exit. Alright, so save. And let's see if this worked. Hello world, it worked, ending batch, and exit. So I hope you guys enjoyed my second episode, and stay tuned for the third one. I'll probably be doing the ping command and maybe 1 or 2 others. So I hope you guys enjoyed.